Hey guys, welcome to G Reviews. Today I'm with my wife's 2023 Acura MDX A-Spec. Today we're going to be putting some new floor mats in. The ones that came with it are of course just black carpet and they get messy really quickly, so I wanted to put some nice rubber floor mats. I got these guys from Amazon. I don't know the name, the brand off the top of my head, but I will go check and tell you that in a second. But today I'm going to be installing them and showing you how they look. Next up on G Reviews, stay tuned. Guys, so looking inside the Acura MDX, we absolutely love this red leather. It is such a good look. And but again, we're gonna be focusing on floor mats today. So again, all we have is just the standard kind of floor mats here. They do have the little lock-in tab, and the new floor mats that I bought from Amazon do also have that lock-in tab. So basically, we'll just be able to take these guys out. We'll definitely save them because obviously these are Acura branded, and then we'll go ahead and stick the new ones in. Okay, so here's what the driver's one looks like. It's definitely got all the nice little cutouts. Seems like pretty good quality. So let's go ahead and move the seat back. So we're just gonna slide her in, and we're gonna lock it in with the little tabs, and bam, there we go. And that's what it looks like. It looks very nice. It looks almost factory, but it fits very well. I think that's pretty nice. All right, and here is what the second row looks like with just the standard carpet. And it's already kind of a little messy here, but go ahead and take that guy out and stick the new one in. All right, so let's go ahead and put the second row mat in. All right, so let's put it down here. Nice custom fit. Nice, very nice. That our little baby Justin is gonna throw at it, hopefully. All right, it doesn't interrupt the floor at all there. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the third row in. All right, third row. Perfect. Nice custom fit yet again. And if you're wondering, yes, I did already. I already installed, this is a secondary kit, which I'll have a link into in the description. The two backs of these seats, I think this was about 60 bucks for both of these, but pretty much these guys are Velcro. It's like really strong Velcro. And then you just tie this little thing to the headrest. You really don't even notice, but when the rear seats are down, that makes it so that, you know, if the dog jumps up here or so it doesn't scratch or tear the back of the seats. Again, it looks nice and custom. You still have the anchor points for the car seats. I just think it's a great addition. It just keeps everything nice and protected. All right, guys, so that is what the second row looks like. Again, nice custom fit for the 2022 and higher Acura MDX here. It looks very nice. It does tie in here, which is great. So it's not gonna just slide around on you. You know, versus like a WeatherTech, these things are gonna be probably about half price. So again, same thing with the front one. Looks great. It does lock into place. I just think that's a great looking mat. So let's go ahead and put the back one in, last but not least. So the 2023 Acura MDX does have this kind of cool little compartment, and I think this will probably be the only thing that I dislike about putting these mats in, because then we're I'm not going to say we're going to lose this space. We're still going to have it, but we're just not going to use it that often, because once I put the mat in, then it's just going to be kind of a flat load floor. But anyway, so this one, what's nice about this particular mat is that, so basically what we have here is we've got Velcro and we've got this little strap for the headrest. So pretty much it's as easy as that. There we go. So that'll definitely have to settle down because this thing has been folded for a really long time. So now if I want to pull these up, you can still pull them up. I should put this around here. And there we go. So this as an example, right? So that's how that looks. Same thing here. And that's that. I think that looks pretty darn good. Do you lose a little bit of the space? I mean, in having this in the down position, yes, I think you do. But I think over time, this is going to be proved to be well worth it, especially with our dog. You want to come in the car? Come here. Come up. Come on, up. Get up. Come on, up. Holly, come. Good girl. There you go. Sit, 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 sit. Down, lay down, down. Sit, Holly, sit. Good girl. Sit. All right. Well, I think for the price that we paid for them, I think the mats are good. This kind of rear mat's going to have to settle a little bit. Obviously, there's a little bit of a gap here, but that's just from being in a box for God knows how long. But other than that, these mats for the price, I mean, including the backs, because these two were a separate kit, which was $60, I think, or maybe 50 with a coupon. I think it came out to about $200 for all of them, which again, I think is a pretty good deal. I think maybe the WeatherTech ones maybe were $300, something like that. But yeah, I think they're a pretty good price for the quality that you're getting. But anyway, Skyward Reviews, I will leave a link in the description of where to pick these guys up from Amazon. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. Happy to help.